पता है बचपन में मैं एक फास्ट बॉलर था। 150 160 किलोमीटर पर आवर्स में बॉल फेंकता था। कहाँ गए वो दिन, बचपन के दिन।
अच्छा, इंसुलिन कैसे डालते हैं बताना।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। माय नेम इज़ अब्बास दास एंड आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं टाइप्स ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग, सुपरवाइज्ड, अनसुपरवाइज्ड एंड reinforcement learning. So let's get started. Like a Hellcat. So there are three ways in which you can make a machine learn so that they can give us the output. Whenever we will be giving them input, they will be giving us the output. And what are the three ways? They are the supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and the last but not the least is the reinforcement learning. So let's dive in with the first, unsupervised learning. So what is unsupervised learning? In unsupervised learning, the label is not present from the starting, rather from the output. Depending on the output that we get from that, the label is been decided. It's confusing, right? Let me show you. So in the x-axis we have kept the number of wickets taken by a player, and in the y-axis we have kept the amount of runs scored by that player. So in this case we can say, like, if a player scores more runs, like this all datas, he is a batsman. And in the case if we say that the player is taking more number of wickets, he or she is a bowler. So this is unsupervised learning, where I am not giving you the label of that particular entity, like if he is a bowler or a batsman, but according to the behavior and the data we have of that player, we can find it out, like if he is a bowler or a batsman, correct? So we can feed the machine to give us the output so that the machine will learn this particular pattern. Correct? So this is unsupervised learning, where the label is not present, the label is been decided after the output. Correct? This is unsupervised learning. Next, come to supervised learning. To know what is supervised learning, let's take an example. We have three types of coin. This is 1 rupee coin, this is 2 rupee coin, and this is 5 rupee coin. Correct? So I will write here was 1, 2, 5. In the unsupervised learning, we never knew the label at the starting, rather the output will decide the label. But here we have already labeled it as 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. But now we'll make the machine learn, then if you give an arbitrary coin, they will give us the output that if it is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin or 5 rupees coin. So how is it possible? Let's take the weight of each one. Correct. For example, 1 rupee coin weighs 10 grams, 2 rupee coin weighs 20 grams and 5 rupee coins weighs 50 grams. Now we will make the machine learn that if a coin is put into the weighing system and it is of 10 gram, it will be 1 rupee coin. Now if we will weigh the coin, if it is 20 grams, then you have to give the output as it is a 2 rupee coin. Then similarly, if the coin is weighing 50 grams, then the output will be 5 rupee coin. So what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? That the label is not present in the unsupervised learning, rather the label is present from the starting in the supervised learning. This is the basic difference between the two. And the third type is reinforcement learning. What is reinforcement learning? The machine learns from the type of feedback it gets. Okay, so for example, I'll give an example. For example, this is an image of a dog. I know that I cannot draw an image of a dog. That's why just think for now that this is a dog's image rather. Now this dog image is being shown to 5 set of people. Okay, so they will be telling that if it is a dog image or not. Now they will tell, the first person will tell yes, it's a dog image. The second, the third, the fourth and the fifth person will say no, it's not a dog image, it's a cat image, for example, he might say. So the machine learns that out of 4 people have said it is dog image, so it is a dog. The image is a dog. So in the next segment, if any of the images comes like this, so the machine will learn and machine will say that this is the image of a dog. Correct? So that's it guys for today. So we have covered like 3 types of learning: unsupervised learning, supervised learning and reinforcement learning. So meet you in the next segment. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye. फिर next. पर मैं बाद में खेलूंगा।